Well, Virginia Beach, are y'all ready for an air show? Let's try that one more time. Are you ready for an air show? We're primed and ready with great weather to bring you entertainment like you've never been entertained before. Today, you'll see the demonstration of the Boeing FA-18 Hornet from right down the road at NAS Oceana. We'll see a flyby of some of the current aircraft used by your United States Navy, including the E-2C Hawkeye, the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor, racing team, let's hear it all the way up and down the beach. Now, this is our rehearsal day. We're going to take a short break. And next up will be some aircraft representing the United States Navy.